people around, you don't even know if you're going to get
Well, when you get creeps like this,
creeps like
Well,
this.
good friends are creeps, so
Yeah.
you'll be in trouble.
Jesse, don't make me laugh.
We just talked about how Tim went sledding one night and took a tree.
Oh, yeah.
He did.
I fell for
Oh,
How
yes.
his voice changed right on the spot. I gotta go home now.
Where were
It was
Katie,
over
where
at,
were you guys sledding? At
Hess's.
Knob Hill?
Yeah.
Hess's.
No, we were at Hess's.
Oh, Hess's?
Yeah.
And he had that tree between his legs?
Yeah, that was
And we
Okay,
said-
I have to go home now.
I have to go talk to my dad.
How could
His
you
legs
sled
like
at
this
Hess's
went right up a
and you
tree.
end up right in
Oh,
the tree?
God.
Pretty close.
Oh, he was having a heck of a time.
I'm going home. I'm going home now.
I'm going to go home.
Just go home.
I gotta talk to my dad.
God, we laughed about that. But honestly, when I saw that dance, what show was that on today? Was it on Good Morning America or some show yesterday? They had a dancing Santa. No, it was on the Ellen show. Because,
Ellen DeGeneres?
yeah, somebody gave her a gift, and she said, like, well, I have one for you. And it was a dancing Santa, and it was like, too sexy for my head. Too sexy. I thought, oh, I wish
Should have
Natalie
that.
and Tim, because that was their theme song. And they were like, in what grade do you think? 6th?
Yeah,
7th?
6th grade. I'd
No,
say.
I think they were younger.
Really?
really?
Maybe
Oh.
5th grade?
I want to say like 4th grade.
That was their favorite.
Yeah, it's so
You know what I remember about those two? Vern and I stood in the window watching Natalie and Tim. They were playing something on your hill over here,
Oh yeah.
and Natalie was whipping Tim's butt.
Oh,
I don't know.
Oh, I'm
I
sure.
don't know what game they were playing, and I
that's
said,
funny.
"Look at this, Vernon."
Oh, the best thing is when you scared the crap out of me.
Oh,
Yeah.
God,
That
Oh,
that was,
Yeah.
was
they
the most-
still, Tim still talks
Oh,
about it.
Yeah, they were still talking about that.
Oh, God.
Yeah, those two were pretty good friends.
Oh,
my
they
God, they
still,
were.
well, they
Yeah,
still are.
they
They just
are.
don't see each
Yeah.
other very often, but they
They're
communicate.
like brother and well, Tim is like our daughter's
Yeah, one
brother.
kids.
I mean,
Yeah.
you know, I mean, it's
But-
like, yeah, I got a brother. His name is Tim. Tim
Oh.
Crane.
Yeah.
Tim Crick. Say, why didn't you invite that lady here?